Did you know you can use an Xbox wireless controller to play games on your Tesla Model 3's screen? This video shows you how to connect your controller via Bluetooth for a fun and engaging in-car experience while parked. Tesla's infotainment system has evolved to support gaming, offering entertainment during charging or downtime. We'll cover everything you need for a seamless setup. First, ensure you have the right equipment. You'll need an Xbox wireless controller that supports Bluetooth. Most Xbox One S and Series XS controllers do. Your Tesla Model 3 should be running software version 11.0 or higher, but version 12.5.x or later is recommended for the best experience. To start, put your Xbox wireless controller into pairing mode. Turn on the controller by pressing the Xbox button. Then, press and hold the small sync button on the top of the controller until the Xbox button light begins to flash rapidly. This indicates the controller is searching for a Bluetooth connection. Now, on your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Settings, greater than Bluetooth. Tap the Add Device button. Your Tesla will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Make sure your car is in park, as pairing is disabled while driving for safety reasons. Now that your controller is in pairing mode and Tesla is ready, you'll see the Xbox wireless controller in the list of available devices on your Tesla's screen. Select the Xbox wireless controller from the list. You may see it listed as Xbox controller or a similar generic name. You may need to confirm the pairing request on both the Tesla touchscreen and the controller. Press the Confirm button on the Tesla screen. Once paired successfully, the light on the Xbox button will turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Now that your Xbox controller is connected, launch a supported game in Tesla Arcade like chess or Cuphead to test the pairing. For streaming Xbox Cloud Gaming, open the Tesla browser and link your Microsoft account first. Test all controller inputs to ensure buttons and joysticks work correctly. If you experience any issues, try disconnecting other Bluetooth devices to eliminate interference, or restart the Tesla's infotainment system to refresh the connection. Sometimes, interference from other Bluetooth devices can cause pairing problems. Try disconnecting nearby phones or headphones to clear the Bluetooth range and allow stable connection. If the controller disconnects frequently, ensure it's fully charged. The controller uses Bluetooth, which can drain battery quickly, so recharge it via USB-C if needed to maintain a stable connection. For persistent issues that don't resolve with basic troubleshooting, try performing a factory reset on the controller by holding the sync button until it resets. Additionally, check for and install any available Tesla software updates, as newer versions often fix Bluetooth compatibility problems. Some older Model 3s might require a wired connection for optimal performance due to firmware limitations. Use a USB cable to connect the controller directly to the Tesla's USB port for more reliable gaming without Bluetooth issues. Tesla's integration of gaming controllers is part of a larger trend in car entertainment. As electric vehicles become more prevalent, gaming in parked cars offers a fun and engaging way to pass the time, making EV ownership even more appealing. Expect future software updates to bring VR headset compatibility, allowing immersive gaming experiences directly in the vehicle. Multi-controller support will enable cooperative and competitive gaming with friends and family. Enhanced cloud gaming features will provide access to a vast library of games streamed directly to the vehicle's display. These advancements will make electric vehicle ownership more engaging and enjoyable, encouraging broader adoption of sustainable transportation.